Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this Bane padlock or Bane padlock from 2019. It was used for a while, and the previous owner lost its keys. So I will try to pick it open. This is the last series of Bane padlock. After 2019, COVID occurred, so the Bane factory stopped making Bane padlocks anymore, so they are now ordering from China. So let's see what it takes to pick this padlock open. I'm going to use this long tension tool and this curved pick. So let's see. First, I'm starting with light tension, and I will see if I need to increase the tension. Pins are coming back pretty violently, so I will increase tension. Pins are springy. There we are. We are now fighting against it, but we'll see what's gonna happen. For now, I think I'm not going all the way into the keyway. There it is. We have something set. Pretty interesting lock, I could tell you. No feedback at all. I only feel when pins come back. Something is happening. There it is. We got this thing open. So it wasn't so hard to open it, but it wasn't so easy. Probably the beating was pretty decent. I don't know, but here we are. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.